right, we're gonna do a quick walk around, and all the upgrades on this vehicle are listed on our website. Full body PPF ceramic coating, custom wheels, all of the Ryft components, downpipes, all that good stuff. It's all online. Now, you have these custom wheels with the Toyo R888R tires here in the rear, and then the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the front. This car does come with the factory wheels as well, with a very similar tire setup. It's gonna have Toyo R888Rs on the rear and a Michelin of some sort on the front. So the factory wheels are included, and all of the factory parts to make this car stock again. That will all be included. And another cool feature on this car is the customer swapped out the seats to the more comfort seats and not the lightweight racing seats. Now those seats are included, and I will have photos of that on our website. So right now the seats that are in the car are the more comfort related seats, and he's a taller guy, so it made it easier to get in and out, but you can swap them back to those lightweight racing seats. Also, this car has a built-in camera system. You can see it here on the top of the windshield. It records both exterior and interior. When the car is turned off, that camera is still active, and it's run off of a separate battery. And so this car will detect motion. So if you walk up to it and it senses motion, it will start recording. So this car recently received a full body PPF paint protection film applied to it. Every little component is fully protected. They removed the old front clip that it did have, and they replaced it with full body. And so every component is fully protected from the splitter to the rear spoiler. Now it does have a couple rock chips before that PPF was installed in the first place, and you have one right there. And then you do have a little snag in this new film. This new film probably has 200-300 miles on it at most. And so you're gonna see a tiny little rock chip right there, and really that's all that I noticed. The rest of this looks amazing. Now you have some curb rash on this front splitter on the underside. If you can get under there and see, there on the underside, it's not visible from right here. So walking around all of that carbon, it looks amazing. And you're gonna have a little bit of rash under there. Like I said, you cannot see it from standing up here. The rest of that front end looks amazing. Hood looks awesome. Got the carbon here. Carbon on the vents. These wheels are absolutely perfect, and they look amazing. Looking down the side of the car, I did not see any other chips, scuffs, scratches, things like that. It is very, very clean. This wheel is absolutely perfect as well. Toyo R888Rs here on the rear. Carbon looks amazing. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. So really you just have a couple rock chips there on the front, and that is the only thing I could find on this car as far as imperfections go. All right, checking out this side, starting with the front left. This carbon looks amazing, fully protected in PPF. Fender looks awesome. Curb rash on these wheels. They look amazing. Lower rocker looks good. I don't feel any rash under there. Side mirror looks amazing. Checking out this A-pillar. I think that's just a little scuff in the PPF, although this is fully protected. Looks amazing. Door looks perfect. All of that looks awesome. Checking out this wheel. Absolutely perfect. Carbon looks amazing. awesome. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it looks really nice. Couple scuffs right here. Carpets look good. This side of the dash looks awesome. Steering wheel has a couple spots that are matted, but overall very clean. And then looking at the seats, you get a few dimples there, a couple minor scuffs. That bolster looks good. You have a little bit of wear here on this edge. Tiny scuff right there. The rest of that looks awesome. All the carbon looks amazing. Center console looks good. Upper dash looks amazing. All of this looks great. Very, very clean. Now that beeping that you hear is the interior and exterior camera. It's telling you that there's no SD card inserted. So once you put an SD card in, that will go away. You can see these seats look really good though. And then looking at the door panel, got a little scuff right there. Couple imperfections here. The rest of that looks good. And this is super clean. And then here on the passenger side, you can see this panel kind of fell down just a little bit, so you can see in there, so it does need to be kind of tightened up, but overall it looks amazing. Floor mats look good. Carbon all looks amazing on this side. That bolster looks perfect. Now here on the very, very edge, we have a little scuff, but the rest of this seat looks amazing. Very, very clean. Here on the underside of the glove box, we do have a scuff there on the Alcantara. Top side looks good. Everything on this side looks awesome. That panel looks amazing. This side looks awesome. Very, very clean. So really just the scuff on the underside of the glove box, the tiny scuff right here, and then this needs to be kind of squeezed together. Everything else looks amazing. Okay, we're gonna go for a quick drive. The car has front lift, so just push the button to raise that front end a little bit to get out of this kind of steep bump. Okay, let's go for a quick drive.